In this video today, I'm going to share with you all that you need to know about PoppoLive streaming app. And it doesn't matter either you are a beginner or you have never heard about the app or you have been on the app. This video is for you, because in this video today, I'm going to share with you what the platform is all about, how to make money on the platform, how you can withdraw your money on the platform, different ways you can use the platform, and all that. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So what is PoppoLive all about? PoppoLive is simply a platform that allows users to connect with people. You can use the platform to live stream. You can use PoppoLive to share videos. You can join other people's live stream. You can join other people's party. You can host your birthday party. You can make new friends. You can play games. You can play PK battles. You can gift people. You can receive gifts. You can throw random gifts to receive even more gifts from people, and much more. So how do you make use of Poppo app? How do you go about the app? So if you are new, you are a total beginner, the first thing you need to do is to download the app. In the description of this video and the comment section, I'm going to drop a link where you will just click to download the app. It will take you to your Play Store. You download the app. The moment you download, sign up immediately, because if you do not sign up immediately, you will not get the first timer benefit. I have a video that I share practically how you can sign up on the PoppoLive streaming app. I will link it in the description of this video. But after you sign up, you do your face authentication. It's very simple. When you do your face authentication on the app, then you can start your tax, because if you want to enjoy the first timer benefit, you must start immediately. And performing your tax as a newcomer, there are simple tasks you are to perform, like going live if you are a female, and if you are a male, sitting on the mic. Again, I've done this video sharing with you practically how to perform your tax, your live streaming tax, and then your party tax if you are a female user. So there are tax for female, there are tax for male. And you can also start interacting with people if you want to grow on the app. It's not that you just sign up, you just do your live stream and you go out. If you are doing that, you're not going to grow. So when you sign up, do your authentication, start your tax immediately. As you live stream, you earn. As you do your party tax, you earn. So, and then you can also participate on a PK. PK is like a battle where the person that received the highest amount of gifts win. And after you do all that battle, Poppo again will still appreciate you for winning. So you can also do participate in PK. So those are the ways you can make use of the app as a beginner. So for those that are already on the app and they know all this that I mentioned, how then do you make money? Either you are new or you have been on the app. The first way you can start making money, even if you sign up today, is from referral. The more you refer people to the platform, the higher you can make money. I've done this video sharing with you how you can be referring people to PoppoLive streaming app. You can earn up to $14 on one person if the person is active enough on the app. So referral is the first way you should think of making money on the app as a newbie. And again, if I were you, I would refer more of female, because female tends to earn more money on the platform. Then the second way to make money is by performing your tax. And in your performing your tax, you live stream. If you are a female, you live stream immediately. Like, you can download the app right now, do your first authentication and verify, and then go live for you to get your 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. And as you are a newbie, as you live stream, please ensure that you don't stay away from your camera. If you stay away from your camera, you're not going to get that first timer bonus, which is very important. Another way you can make money, either you are a newbie or you have been on the app, is by playing games. There are a lot of games you play. As you play, you win. But if you are a newbie, you don't understand how to play games, here I have a playlist. I've done all the videos on all the games. I've done it. I'll drop in the description of this video and the comment section videos I've done on how to play games. But For you to play games, you need coins. So how do you get coins? Coins are for sale. But as a newbie, if you want to be getting free coins, I've done this video, different ways you can get free coins on the app while you are learning. But if you have already understand the app very well, you can also buy coins and use it to play game. I have a Telegram group that over 3,000 persons on about the app, and where I also drop information about any new app that come in. You can join, but please, before you join my Telegram group, I beg of you, I will never DM you, I will never send you message, I will never ask you to pay for verification. Verification is free, nothing like bringing anything. Anyone trying to impersonate me with my profile picture or name is a scam. Please stay away from that. So thank you so much for taking that note. Another way you can also make money on the platform is staying on the party. Aside from playing your party, like doing your party tasks, like if you make friends very well, you can connect. As you connect, sometimes you play on them, they play on you. But aside from that, as a newbie, as you learn, as you stay on a party, people come to throw coins on people, and then that coins that they are throwing on you is points, and a point is money that you can withdraw. Another way you can also make money on the app is throwing lucky gifts. So it's one thing for you to do exchange gifts. I send to you, you send for me. There is lucky gifts. So that lucky gift, as you throw on people, you can throw 100 coins and you can be lucky enough to get 1,000 coins. You can throw 1,000 coins. You can be lucky enough to get 50,000 coins or 500,000 coins. So that's another way you can make money, by throwing lucky gifts. By so doing, you gain more, or you could lose everything. Another way you can make money, which is my favorite, is becoming an agent. So on the Poppo platform, you can become an agent simply by, I will drop a link in the description of this my video and in the comment section, where you can click to register to become an agent. But before you can become an agent, you must have signed up on the app, so that and understand the app. Don't just join the app and become an agent, because the work of an agent is for you to teach others, show them how to make use of the app. And I have a complete playlist showing you videos on how to become an agent, how agents make their money, how the income is being calculated, how you can even earn more money. Like I've withdrawn severally $1,000 on this platform, and I've done videos showing you exactly how I did that. So in that agency playlist, you will see videos about becoming an agent. But even in the comment section and in the description, you will see link that you can click to become an agent. And if you are a newcomer, you join the app, you can, or you also join agency. Joining agency is totally optional, but is important. Reason is because you may encounter one or two issues that is your agent that can help you. But there are a lot of people that join the app and refuse to join any agency, because if you join any agency, by the time you want to become an agent, you have to apply to quit that agency. So that is why some people don't like joining agency, but you can join agency. Okay, so that is that for the beginners. Another way you can make money also is by selling coins. But for you to sell coins on the platform, you must become an agent. So as a newbie, if you are looking at selling coins, make sure as you join the app, you learn about the app, learn how to navigate the app, understand the app very well. I've done over 74 videos about this app. I will drop a playlist about all the videos I've done about this app. Take your time, watch them, understand it. If you have any question, you ask in the comment section of the video. I want to do a video on how you can throw lucky gifts and gain more, a particular code that I have cracked. So if you are interested, please comment lucky gift and gain more. Lucky gift and gain more. If you drop that comment, if I see up to 15 persons that drop that comment, then I will share with you my secret code on how I throw lucky gifts to gain more. So while I was editing this video around 2 a.m, I discovered I forgot a very important key part, so I have to do this voiceover on it, which is leveling up. If you want to earn more, you can also level up and how do you do level up by doing exchange of gifts. So this video will show you practically how to level up. So after you gather all the money, how do you now withdraw them? So for the sake of the beginners, the newbie that are just joining PoppoLive streaming app that make money, as you join the app, there are points and there are coins. Coins are the ones you buy or you receive them according to how I explained different ways you can earn free coin on the platform. Then points are the gifts you receive. Points are what you can withdraw. As you do your task, point is what you gain. And after every of your tasks, you go to receive your reward. So you click on the reward section and you claim your coin. So if you do your tax, you must claim your reward. Very important. If you did not claim your reward on the app, once it's up to 24 hours, everything will wipe and a new day will start. So as a Nigerian, our new day on PoppoLive streaming app start by 5 p.m. So I don't know what is it in your own region if you are watching me from another region. So let's say if they give you tax around 5 p.m. Nigerian time today, you have from that time till the next day 4:59. Once it's 5 p.m, if you have not done your tax and receive your reward, everything will reset and you start again. But as of your reward that you receive, nothing will happen to it. But for the tax you have done, you must receive your reward so that it will go to your point. And if you did not receive it, that means it will disappear and another new tax will be given on to you by 5 p.m. again Nigerian time. Okay, so how then do you withdraw your money? This woman love talking, right? So you withdraw your money depending on your region. So like me now, as a Nigerian, I can withdraw to my local currency, my local bank account. I can withdraw to my Pioneer account. I can withdraw via USDT. So for some other region that they have PayPal, you can also withdraw through PayPal. So you can withdraw through PayPal, through your local currency, through your Pioneer, through USDT. So I've also done different ways. I've done a video on how you can withdraw to your local currency. I've also done video on how to withdraw using USDT. So what are my tips for you? I've been on this app for over 2 years. This year we'll be making 3 years on this app, and I've made several videos. I've earned more than I have ever thought or imagined on the internet. Is my highest paying app currently. I cannot lie you, it changed my life. So I'm so grateful to all of you that are watching my content, all of you that are subscribing, dropping comments, all of you that join my agency. Thank you so much. I don't take that for granted. So my tips for you is, number one, you should engage. Don't just come and do live stream today and then you just disappear and then after 1 week you come. It doesn't work like that. You are not going to enjoy the app. Make friends with people. Don't say because you are in IJAPARI agency, it's only IJAPARI that will answer your question. Myself, I'm still learning. That app is big, it's so wide. So if you want to learn how to play game, there are people that on that app, all they do is play game from beginning to end. There are people that they sing. So what is your talent? What can you profile to people? There are some people that are doing singing competition. Some people are doing DJ work on the app and so on and so forth. So you need to connect with people. You need to make friends and be active. So if you have any question, I've done frequently asked question about the app, this video. And again, you can feel free to ask your question in the comment section so that I can come and reply to you, because on YouTube now you can reply to somebody's comment directly with a video showing you practically how to go about that. So this video is already so lengthy, but I just have to pour out my heart because I see a lot of people asking questions. What is this app all about? What is this app all about? That is why I decided to do this video. Who else can give you this detail than someone that has been on the app for this long? Until I come your way again for my next video, hope you have subscribed, like, comments. Bye.